How to design a living room. Interior design tips. The living room is called the living area for a reason. It is the place we usually spend most of our time in, when we are not working, and especially when we have guests over. So the living room needs to be a place thought to entertain guests, but also a relaxation place for us too. We are all different, and not all of us want a sofa, a coffee table, and a TV in our living room. Some of us maybe enjoy having a bigger table in front of the sofa to use for board games or other things. Or some of us just enjoy lecture so much that we don't want a table at all, but shelves full of books. One really good tip is not using furniture to cover windows or heaters, so keep this in mind when decorating your living room. Now let's talk colors for a bit. If you are a big bright color fan, you can go for a blue or mustard couch depending on your style obviously, but make sure you are not going too colorful by choosing too many colors to decorate your living room. For example, next to a mustard couch, don't use green drapes, but you can go for a white or gray drapes with mustard accents. Now let's talk about how we decide to arrange the furniture in the living room. The couch needs to be placed with the face to a wall that has the TV or whatever you want it to have, and on the side a window. We need to place the TV so that when we are watching it, it is comfortable and we don't need to make an effort for this. It is a relaxation space after all. If you choose a corner sofa, we need to make sure that the access isn't blocked in any way in the room, so choose the corner side to go besides the wall. Once we arrange the sofa, the TV is next to go. We can add a suspended one and add shelves besides it, or just go with a TV cabinet. It also gives us more storage space like this. Next to the TV, you can choose to go with a dining table if you have enough dining space, and have a space in which you can chat with friends. If you want to choose a coffee table to add in front of the sofa, make sure it is not taller than the sofa itself, and under it you can choose to add a beautiful rug to enhance the table's beauty. For that, you can go with a glass coffee table. For decor items, you can add a flower vase on the coffee table, magazines, or more. On the walls, you can also go with paintings or drawings, whatever you would feel like. This was my video on interior design tips for your living room. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell to be notified when we upload. Also, check our website for more interior design tips, interior design services, and 3D visualization services as well. See you next time.